That's definitely an area where the vertebrae has rotated on her, so that's an area that I'm going to focus on. So I'm just going to make my point of contact right here, have the patient take a deep breath and let it out. Good. Alright, and same thing right down here, so except for this one's on the left side, so have them take a deep breath. Good. T7 and even T1 in here. And there's definitely some restrictions within those segments. So I'm going to have the patient just relax. Just going to come right down here. Okay. And then same thing on this side.